Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So children, yes, we have completed this chapter, yes, chapter number 4, that is the Skylark. So children, in today's class we are going to discuss the question answers. So children, here open your English textbook, page number 47. In reading section A, okay. So here children, put a tick right against the sentences that are true or put a cross mark against the sentences that are not true. Okay. So here what we have to do children? We have to put a tick, put a right against the sentences that are true. And we have to put a cross mark against the ones that are not true. Okay. So let's read the sentences. So let's read the first sentence. Here the first sentence is, King Lalchi had many beautiful things in his palace. As students, to tell me this sentence is true or not true? Yes? So children, this is true. Yes? That King Lalchi had many beautiful things in his palace. So here what we have to do? Here we have to put a right mark here. Okay. So now come to the second one. King Lalchi was very happy. No children, yes. So we have learned that he had so many beautiful things in his palace. He had marvelous jewels, vases, paintings, carpets, but he was not happy. Yes. So this is wrong, not true. Yes. So children, now come to the third one. The skylark did not sing when he was put in the golden bird cage. Yes children, yes, this is true. So we have learned that the skylark did not sing when he was put in the golden cage. So this is true. So now come to the fourth one. When the bird was set free, he began to sing happily. When the bird was set free, he began to sing happily. Yes, this is true. So children, now section A is over. Yes, now children come to the section B. Answer this question. What did King Lalchi do when he saw something new? So children, tell me. Yes, what did King Lalchi do when he saw something new? So children, we have learned when he spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. Yes children. So when he spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. So the answer is, when he spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. Yes, when King Lalchi spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. So children, now come to the second one. Who was singing the song heard by the king? Who was singing the song heard by the king? So children, the skylark is singing the song heard by the king. Yes, who was singing the song? Yes, so the skylark is singing the song. The king heard the song of a skylark. Yes, so the skylark was singing the song heard by the king. Yes. So children, now come to the section C. So children, don't worry, I will send a PDF. Okay. So question answers I will send in a PDF format. Here don't worry about that. So children, here you have to discuss with me. Yes. The question answers. So children, now come to the section C. Tick the right options to complete these sentences. Okay. Here children, what we have to do? Now section A and section B is over. Okay, now come to the section C. Tick the right options to complete these sentences. The skylark was sad because he did not want to sing in a cage, or he did not like the king, children. So the skylark was sad because he did not want to sing in a cage. Yes. So children, here option A is right. Okay. So now children, come to the second one. The king freed the bird because he felt that he was not the singer, or he was angry. So children, tell me. The king freed the bird because he felt that he was not the singer, or he was angry. So here children, which option is right? Yes, children, tell me. So he was angry. The king freed the bird because he was angry. Yes, children. So children, now come to the page number. Yes. Children, tell me which option is right here. He was angry, or he felt that he was not the singer. So children, the king freed the bird because he felt that he was not the singer. Yes, this option is right. So here children, tell me which option is right. Option A or B? Option A is right. Okay. So the skylark was sad because he did not want to. Yes, he did not want to sing in a cage. The king freed the bird because he felt he was not the singer. Okay. So children, now turn the page. Here come to the think and answer. Okay. Even though King Lalchi. So children, now come to the section D. In section D, come to the question number 1. Even though King Lalchi had many beautiful things, why did he feel old, tired and sad, children? Yes, as we all know, children. Yes, King Lalchi had many beautiful things in his palace. Yes, he had marvelous jewels, vases, paintings and carpets. Yes, and when he spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. But children, the King Lalchi was not happy because he felt old, tired and sad. Yes, because he felt old, tired and sad. Yes, so children, he felt old and tired and sad. Even though King Lalchi had many beautiful things, but he was not happy. Yes, he was not happy. That's why he feel old, tired and sad. Okay. So now children, come to the second question. Why did the skylark begin singing again? Why did the skylark begin singing again? So children, the answer is the skylark flew away and started to sing again. Yes children, because now the bird is flying in the sky freely. Yes, the skylark flew away and started to sing again. Yes, so children, now come to the third one. How did the king feel on hearing the bird singing again? Yes, so the king, he closed his eyes and listened to the song and he smiled happily. Yes, he smiled happily. He became happy. Yes, what? Now children, come to the fourth one. What did the king realize at the end of the story? So children, the king realized that the bird can't sing in a golden cage. Yes children, if we let it fly in the sky, then the bird will sing a song. Yes, so children, तो उसने क्या देखा कि जब हम किसी को पिंजरे में कैद करते हैं तो तब हैप्पी नहीं हो सकता। यस, जब कोई इंसान या फिर कोई परिंदा आसमान में अपने पंख फैला के जब वो खुशी से जो फ्रीली जो उड़ता है तब वो क्या होता है, खुश होता है। जब वो खुश होता है तो वो सॉन्ग गाने लगता है। यस, सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ कम टू द ग्रामर। ओके, ग्रामर पॉइंट, in section E. Okay, what do we really need in order to be happy? Think about the skylark and choose the right options, then discuss your answer. What do we really need in order to be happy? हमें खुश होने के लिए सबसे जो चीज़ चाहिए या फिर हमें जो चाहिए खुश होने के लिए वो क्या है बच्चों? आप स्काईलार्क को देखो, जब वो एक पिंजरे में था वो सबसे सैड था। जब वो आसमान में फ्री जब वो उड़ने लगा तो वो सबसे खुश था। यस, सो चिल्ड्रन, here what do we really need in order to be happy, children? Yes, think about the skylark and choose the right option. So children, we really need freedom in order to be happy. Yes, we need freedom. Yes, in order to be happy, we need freedom to be happy. Yes, so children, here option C is right. Yes, so we need freedom in order to be happy. So children, now what we have learned today? So children, we have learned section A, then section B, section C, then section D and section E. So I will send PDF. Okay. So children, complete your fair book. Okay. So maybe on 21 your school will start soon. So children, yes, complete your fair books. Okay. तो बच्चों आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी, सेक्शन सी डिस्कस किया, देन सेक्शन डी और सेक्शन ई भी हमने क्या किया? डिस्कस किया. सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास चिल्ड्रन वी विल लर्न सम ग्रामर. ओके. So children, the next part we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.